Discover the storied past of Akko's Eastern Wall, a vital part of the city's defenses during the Napoleonic siege of 1799. This formidable wall, strengthened by Ahmed al-Jazzar, successfully repelled Napoleon's forces in a dramatic and intense battle. The siege lasted for 2 months, with both sides enduring heavy casualties. Despite Napoleon's relentless attacks, the city's defenders, led by al-Jazzar and aided by British forces, held firm, marking a significant turning point in history and halting Napoleon's ambitions in the region. As you walk along the Eastern Wall, take in the breathtaking views of Akko and the surrounding landscape. The vantage point offers a sweeping panorama of the Mediterranean Sea, the bustling harbor, and the historic old city with its narrow streets and ancient architecture. This perspective allows you to appreciate the strategic importance of the wall and the resilience of the city's defenders who once stood guard over these same vistas.